What's up mga kababayan? Kamusta kayo? Ako po si Jaime. Welcome po mga kababayan sa aking vlog. And kung bago sa channel ko mga kababayan, ako po ay isang OFW dito sa Khobar, Saudi Arabia na gumagawa ng random lifestyle ng buhay OFW na nagtatrabaho dito sa Saudi mga kababayan. And gumagawa din ako mga kababayan ng mga reaction videos about sports and trending topics. Follow nyo rin ako mga kababayan sa aking FB page. Same name po, JaimeJr Tv. Yun po ang name ko sa aking FB page. Follow nyo rin ako doon mga kababayan. Nagpo-post po ako doon ng mga update natin sa ating mga i-upload. And yun mga kababayan, Friday na ngayon. Dito sa Saudi mga kababayan at dyan sa Pilipinas, ay Sabado na ng madaling araw. So alas 12 na siguro ng madaling araw dyan. Alas 7 ng gabi ngayon. Sa linggo ng umaga dyan, ilaban na ni Manny Pacquiao. Pacquiao versus Ugas mga kababayan. Pero bago yun mga kababayan, balikan muna natin yung mga nakaraang laban ni Manny Pacquiao. So let's go!
Shining on a cloudy day.
Ang laki ni Margarito dito.
Right on that badly bruised right eye, Margarito. Pacquiao hits him again with the left. Margarito nods at him. Pacquiao hits him at will. Bang! No. Pacquiao hits him low.
Grabe itong laban na to. Ganyan, no?
He's beating Margarito up in this round. It's a huge blow under Margarito's right eye. He's backing Margarito up and he's hurting him.
To win the fight, even though he's hopelessly behind and getting counted.
Basag-basag ang mukha ni Margarito.
It's fight against Khobar. Here comes Pacquiao. As always, he loves to answer back. Absorb the punches a little better than a smaller guy.
Grabe din trash talk dito mga kababayan. Tingnan mo. Grabe, no?
Margarito has a vicious beatdown to remember. And the satisfaction of having
Pacquiao is a boxer from the Philippines who has become not only a worldwide recognizable name, but a global inspiration. He began his career in 1995 not to win a world title, but to simply put food on his table for himself and his family. He made his name known throughout local communities. Boxing quickly became his life, and worldwide domination ensued. The reign of Manny Pacquiao is one of the most notable in boxing history. At his peak, Pacquiao was near unbeatable. A boxer has many ways to accomplish victory inside a boxing ring, by knockouts through technical submission or with superior skills. In this video, we take a look at 25 examples where Manny Pacquiao showed crazy boxing capability to achieve a victory, where we break down the skills Pacquiao used along with what separates him from the rest. First up, we go to Pacquiao's fight versus Miguel Cotto. Pacquiao scored this knockdown with a signature combination. This three-punch combo entails Pacquiao hitting the body with the second shot, resulting in a drop of the guard from Cotto. And on the third punch, Pacquiao comes back up to the head, which was consequently exposed. We've seen Pacquiao use this path of attack in numerous fights, which brings us to his fight against Keith Thurman.
bit of a smile from
Manny Pacquiao. Oh, down goes Thurman!
Here, Pacquiao again uses that same combination. Throw to the head, throw to the body, then land to the head. This punch on Antonio Margarito was the cleanest punch of the night.
He's just mentally tired, physically fatigued, both.
Pacquiao lands a right hook while Margarito overextends on a right hand. In that same fight, Pacquiao had this Matrix-style sequence against the ropes.
There was another left-hand rally by Manny Pacquiao.
Pacquiao dodges Margarito's punch by the tiniest amount, then returns over the top with a right hook. Pacquiao has an underrated defense, with excellent spatial awareness and ring intelligence. In Pacquiao's fight versus Joshua Clottey, Clottey refused to engage with Pacquiao.
People gave Cotto a couple of rounds, the first and the fifth.
Pacquiao found humor in Clottey's unwillingness to fight by double punching with both hands at the same time. Pacquiao knocked Shane Mosley down with a straight left hand.
Well, he is, and Pacquiao left hand drops him.
Notice the feint before throwing the left hand to make Mosley flinch. Pacquiao also set the left hand up with a feint in the Marquez fight.
Down the middle by Marquez as he did on a quick left
The feint right hand, straight left hand is a blend of deception and destruction. Mayweather versus Pacquiao was the biggest fight in the last few decades, and this double left hand
Manny Pacquiao, it was a surprise from the moment it was signed. Given that Oscar De La Hoya had not competed below the super welterweight limit in 10 years, and the fact that Manny Pacquiao had never fought above lightweight. The dream match was set at 147 pounds, with most boxing expecting Oscar to struggle to make weight, but then to enter the ring with significant advantages in both weight and strength.
Terribly shocked. Offense with it, and he's almost no height. De La Hoya has not been able to sit. There is a big Oscar can't sit.
And if Oscar's not going to
Manny Pacquiao is annihilating Oscar De La Hoya. And in the 7th round, De La Hoya has 0 answers.
he has his right hand and kind of just punches his right hand.
And that's what Berenstein asks.
Hawak-hawak sa tali.
Manny Pacquiao is annihilating Oscar De La Hoya. And in the 7th round, De La Hoya has 0 answers.
Grabe.
You cannot do anything. You can't
Pacquiao is making De La
Alam
Hoya
ko underdog dito si Pacquiao.
ineffectual. As though
Armstrong of this era, right now, he's looking like the immortal Armstrong.
and Oscar is barely. Tony Weeks has a tough decision in front of him. There's a lot of glory and a lot of money.
Nandiyan din ang mayaw sa round 1.
The never-ending blitz of left hands that transformed the Golden Boy's good looks into a gross caricature left Oscar to surrender on his stool before the start of the 9th.
Pacquiao has beaten Oscar De La Hoya.
hand from Pacquiao is just epic.
And he has the power to do it. He doesn't use power.
Landing one punch on Mayweather is hard enough,
It's hard
but to
enough.
land 2 consecutively with the same hand is seriously impressive. Pacquiao's fight against Oscar De La Hoya was a one-sided beatdown, and this 4-punch combination was
Grabe
simply
mukha niya, no?
Pacquiao is so fast, we have to slow the footage down to see the effect of each punch. Also take notice of how each punch has its own trajectory. Back to the Mayweather fight, Pacquiao lands a great counter left hand. Pacquiao parries Mayweather's jab, then throws the left hand straight while also moving his head to the right. In the Bradley fight, Pacquiao used this awesome move with the left hook. Pacquiao rolls under Bradley's left hook, then lands a left hook of his own on the way up. We also saw this move against Juan Manuel Marquez.
Yo, Jim, I tell you, that one point.
Pacquiao din si Rob yun.
The roll puts the opponent off balance and makes them fall onto the hook. This is a great move and very similar to the Dempsey roll. Perhaps we should call this the
Pac-Man roll
Pac-Man
pa.
roll. Pacquiao is generally always faster than his opponents.
Standing right in front of Brandon, I don't know.
Here Pacquiao beats Rios to the punch
Rios.
with an intersection of the left hand. Pacquiao's only fight at 135 pounds ended just as you might expect.
We wondered whether Manny would be able to rise to the level, but he seems to be
A thunderous short left hand thrown downward shattered the jaw of Diaz, knocking him out cold. We saw a punch similar to this against Marquez.
This can change back and forth from this right here.
Pacquiao throwing the punch downwards penetrates the guard of Marquez, knocking him
Talino ni
down.
Pacquiao kasi sa laban.
This knockdown of Tim Bradley may look a little strange. Looks like Bradley is not only a great boxer, but a gymnast too.
Gymnast.
Pacquiao's fight against Margarito was full of fast combinations.
Possibly going to threat decision only because of.
Watch here how Pacquiao pulls Margarito's hand down after with his right hand to set up another attack. Here Pacquiao nearly scores a knockdown against Adrian Broner. Pacquiao steps back to avoid the jab, then sneaks in a straight left hand through the guard. A low head position helps Pacquiao invade the tight defense. In that same fight, Pacquiao landed this right hook. Pacquiao ducks below Broner's lead hand, setting up an unusual angle of attack to land this great punch. Here, Pacquiao lands a great body shot on Thurman.
Flicking out his right hand. That's always preceded.
Pacquiao lands a great left hand around the side, and Thurman had to take out his mouth guard just to breathe. The trilogy between Pacquiao and Eric Morales was jam-packed with back-and-forth action.
And we thought Morales was going down. Oh, and he does go down!
Here, Pacquiao lands a short left hand to the side of the head to knock Morales down. In the second fight, Pacquiao landed a right hook counter in the first round.
I've never seen him this thick. Oh, and a beautiful right.
This is similar to the hook against Broner. Pacquiao falls onto his back leg to dodge a jab, and with the momentum, he throws a right hook over the lead hand of Morales. This electrifying knockdown in round 3 solidified Pacquiao's victory over Eric Morales.
Trying to shake it off, but he's been hurt. Pacquiao down.
That's the fight.
Pacquiao's superior speed makes hitting a moving target easier for him than it is for most, and his left hand is without a doubt one of the deadliest punches in boxing history.
To all the people around the world love boxing, thank you to all your support with us. Thank you very much.
Pacquiao's win over Marco Antonio Barrera sent shockwaves around the world. This knockdown showed the power Manny held, knocking down a great Mexican fighter. Pacquiao is a boxer who just loves to fight.
Another left hand for Pacquiao.
Against Marquez, we saw an all-out war. That was 25 times where Manny Pacquiao showed crazy
style. There was the Mexicutioner. After Pacquiao won a super bantamweight belt from Lelo Ledwaba on 2 weeks' notice, mind you, he embarked on a journey of destruction against Aztec prize fighters.
Straight left hand. Pacquiao's landing at will. Hard left hand. Patton has to hold.
So, yun lang mga kabayan, hindi ko natapusin eh. Medyo mahaba-haba yan. So, kaya nung last niyan laban kay Lelo Ledwaba, yun yung una palang laban niya sa US mga kabayan na 2 weeks notice lang na siya yung replacement lang siya, alam ko dun eh. Tapos yun yung dun siya nagsimula na makilala no. Kasi, kaya ako ginawan din ito mga kabayan kasi ito din nangyari kay Ugas ngayon. 10 days before the fight, siya yung replacement kay Spence. So, yun ang mangyari mga kabayan. Abangan na lang natin sa linggo kung anong mangyayari. Alam ko naman na well prepared si Manny Pacquiao. And then syempre si Ugas din. Kaya lang prepared si Ugas sa kalaban niya dapat. Kaso syempre alam naman natin ang kwento nun eh. Kung baga prepare siya dun sa magiging kalaban niya na hindi kagaya nito kay Manny Pacquiao. So tingnan natin kung ito ba yung magiging last na laban ni Manny Pacquiao o meron pa ba siyang kasunod na laban. So yun mga kababayan, maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa video na to. Sana mga kababayan, na-enjoy nyo itong video na to and paki-like. Mga kababayan, yun lang pala sasabihin ko mga kababayan. Mag-like naman kayo mga kababayan kung pinapanood yun na lang din naman. Kasi mga kababayan, sa YouTube kasi mga kababayan, sa YouTube, hindi niya naman masi-check to lahat kasi sa dami ng mga YouTuber mga kababayan, milyon ang YouTuber sa buong mundo. So hindi niya ma-check yan isa-isa mga kababayan, no? So meron siyang meron siyang tinatawag yung data niya, yung algorithm niya na kung saan nagta-traffic yung isang video na in-upload, doon siya nagbabase sa yung algorithm niya, doon nagbabase sa likes and comment and syempre doon sa mga views na pinapanood. Meaning mga kababayan, kung maraming laging ganon, mas nire-recommend ni YouTube. So parang lumalabas yan, mas nadadagdagan yung views natin. So yun mga kababayan, kung pinapanood mo na lang din naman, i-like mo rin ito mga kababayan. At kung bago sa channel ko, mag-subscribe ka na mga kababayan. At malapit na tayo mag 4,000. So yun mga kababayan, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. God bless po sa ating lahat mga kababayan. God bless po sa lahat ng mga mag-anak natin sa Pilipinas. And God bless po mga kababayan sa lahat ng OFW sa buong mundo. And nasama natin sa prayer natin mga kababayan yung nangyayari ngayon sa Afghanistan. So hindi lang doon, sa buong mundo, lalo na sa pandemic na to, nawa matapos na lahat. So yun mga kababayan, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. See you on my next vlog. Bye!